guys, welcome back to my channel. Y'all already know who it is. It's your girl Shadira, and welcome. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To my OGs, what it do, boo? So from the title of the video, you already know what it is. It's the outfit of the day video, and also a mini tutorial, makeup tutorial, I guess that's what you want to call it. So yeah, so today I'm going to be getting dressed to get ready to go out, and I want you guys to come with me so y'all can see me get dolled up for the day. But before I get into it, if you're new to the channel, like I said before, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm doing a giveaway, a $100 giveaway come September. I'll be announcing the winner at the end of September. So all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and follow me on either Twitter or TikTok. If you don't have Twitter or TikTok, that's fine, but that's all you have to do. Once you do that, leave a comment down below in my previous videos and say, girl, I need that $100. That's all you need to say. Girl, I need that $100. I know it's not much, but hey, that's my appreciation for hitting that milestone like I told y'all. Once I hit a certain amount of followers or subscribers, I would say. So as promised, yes, I will be giving $100 away for one of my lucky subscribers / supporters, because I love you guys and I always keep my promise. So I will be doing the giveaway this coming September, and I'll be announcing the winner over on Instagram because I don't know how it works on YouTube. So I'll be announcing the winner on Instagram the end of September. And yeah, that's my appreciation for you guys subscribing and sticking by your girl's side. You know what I'm saying? That's the least I can do. You know, I love you guys and I really appreciate you guys, and it's an appreciation giveaway. That's all it is, no more, no less. And I think I should do this more often. Every time I hit a milestone, do like, you know, a giveaway. Yeah, I think I should do that. What y'all think? Leave a comment down below. Yeah, girl, do that giveaway. So with that being said, let's get into this video. Enough of me talking, but if you skip this part, then that's on you. I mean, $100 is not much, but if you skip this part, then that's on you. But we're gonna get into this look, okay? Okay. If you want to see how I got this look together, because girl, I am put together, continue watching this video. Okay, so before I start my makeup, you know, I'm gonna be doing my makeup. Nah, y'all know I'm not doing my makeup. My daughter's doing my makeup before I get ready. And before she do my makeup, she picked up this, she laughing at me in the background. She picked up this Clean Beauty. Hold up, what y'all be doing? Hold up. How y'all be doing that? With your hand like that. There we go. I know y'all hear that. I know y'all hear that. That's thunder outside. Like, I know y'all hear that. But it's called Clean Beauty, and it's PHA toner, alcohol free. I'm kind of scared. I know y'all hear that.
It's not gonna do anything. I never heard of a thunderstorm knocking off somebody's power.
I'm not afraid of the power. I'm just scared of lightning.
But there's no lightning. I haven't seen any lightning in the past 25 minutes.
My heart. But I'm about to clean my face with this real quick before she do my makeup. So you gotta shake it up real good, because that's what it says on the bottle. I shake everything up anyway, so shake it up, put some on a cotton ball. I mean, I would let her do it, but she's too heavy-handed for me. Am I putting enough on here? I don't feel like there's anything coming out. Let's get into the next step. So next, I'm about to apply some CeraVe moisturizer lotion. I don't know if y'all can see that. There we go. And I'm just going to apply just a little bit, you know, because I don't want my face to be dry or anything like that. I just put about that much. That's still too much, but it's enough. So I'm going to just apply. So to my face, and I shaved my mustache like a week ago. Because y'all know your girl be having the thick mustache going on.
It's lightning.
It is? Woo! Woo! Y'all see how fast I stopped that camera when she said it was lightning? But yeah, I just moisturized my...
Mommy, just get on with it. Okay, I'm gonna use this double-sided brush to blend in her concealer underneath her eyes. I'm gonna use this to shade in her eyebrows. This is the Browy Wowie LA colors. And what?
I didn't say
oh my
anything.
God! Don't laugh at me.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm gonna use the Maybelline concealer in the shade. I forgot what shade this was, but yeah.
Yeah, I know I'm always messing with her when she do my makeup, but you know I can do my own makeup. You know I can do my own makeup. So she's about to start my eyebrows, and she's about to apply some Got To Be gel to lay my eyebrows down. Yes, you can use Got To Be to lay your eyebrows down. I mean, if you don't want to do it, then that's on you, but that's what we use. Or we use, what's the other stuff?
I forgot.
What is it called? Oh, Edge Control. This is Edge Control, but we use other products besides Got To Be, but it's always Edge Control to lay my eyebrows down. So she's about to do that real quick, and stay tuned to this video. Okay, so tonight I did my eyebrows off camera because sometimes doing eyebrows takes time, and I didn't want to waste too much of my camera time. I guess that's what you want to say. But yeah, she did my eyebrows off camera. They came out just how I want them. And today's look is a natural beat look. We don't want anything too dramatic or drastic, so we're just going for a natural everyday beat. And like I said, I'm doing my makeup on my own because y'all know I need to do my makeup. My makeup be flawless. Let me stop capping. So next we're doing eyeshadow. Like I said, nothing too dramatic or too drastic. She's applying some eyeshadow, natural beat eyeshadow. So that's what we're about to get into now.
So I'm using L'Oreal's
she want to play, right? Come on.
Okay, I'm gonna use L'Oreal's Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade Honey, which is 415 right here.
I didn't see that. It was kind of blurry. There we go. Is it upside down?
No, wait, I don't know.
I'm getting ready to turn this camera off.
No! I'm gonna use this to put an eyeshadow base on her eyes. I didn't want to use a lighter concealer because she said she wants something natural. I know there's thunder. Yeah,
in the background.
It's a thunderstorm, but I won't let it get in.
She wants to continue to film this, right?
Yes, because you acting like it's like a whole tropical storm.
Come on.
Oh my God. Okay, so I'm gonna use Smoke and Mirrors chocolate bar palette. I'm gonna use this shade called Divine. I'm gonna be using Fenty Beauty's Mocha Mommy, which is like a bronzer. Usually, if I don't want to put like how do I say it, like dramatic eyeshadow, I just use bronzer as a eyeshadow. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on her lids to blend it out because this color is a tad bit dark. So I'm just gonna use the bronzer to, like, you know, blend it out and tone it down.
What she said.
Okay, now we're going to apply foundation to her face. I'm going to be using the Believe Skin Finish Foundation in the shade Hazelnut. Okay, so I quickly just added blush onto her face because I forgot to put that underneath the foundation. So I put a little bit of blush here. So now I'm going to go in with the concealer. I'm going to go in with the same concealer I used for her eyeshadow base. And I'm going to use a little bit of this shade in the cream contour palette from e.l.f.
Okay, so now my makeup is done. I'm sorry that the camera has died, and yeah, I'm over the camera. I think I'm about to buy me a new one because I don't think it's the camera itself. I think it's the battery. But it is what it is. We're going to continue this video. So here's the finished touches to my face. And like I said, it's just a natural beat. Nothing like over the top. I love it. It's just straight to the point. And yeah, that's the makeup part. And I wish you guys could have seen the full video of her doing the makeup. But unfortunately, my battery has died again. I'm just over it. But anyway, the outfit that I'm going to be putting on for today is a 3-piece outfit that I purchased from Shein a while back. And it's cute. It got like a little jacket that comes with it. And these are the bottoms. And the little tank top is down here somewhere. And these are the little earrings that's going to go with them. I purchased these from Amazon. These are clip-on earrings. There we go. I got these from Amazon. It's a whole set. I think I got like 10 pair of earrings for like $10, I think. $9 or $10, I think, but these are cute. And there's another pair in there like this, but these are so cute. And I also have some Louis slides. Of course, they're not real. They're fake, but they cute. Whatever. They go with my outfit. And I'll be right back so I can show you guys my outfit of the day. Okay, so here's my outfit of the day. So like I said, I got this outfit a while back from Shein. It's a 3-piece outfit. I got the long cardigan. That's what it is, a cardigan with a tube top and some leggings to match. This is all one set. And yeah, the jacket is so freaking cute. Like I said, it is long. The pants, they run a little small, but other than that, they're just right. The top is just right. This cardigan, perfect. I give this outfit a 10 out of 10. What y'all think? And what y'all think about my little button knot like I asked y'all in the last video. And get you a nice little gold watch, a nice gold bracelet, some nice earrings, some makeup, and you good to go for the day. But this is my outfit of the day. And what you guys think? Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think. And yeah, this is my outfit. I don't know if you can see my shoes, and my feet are so ashy. Nice slides or whatever, and it goes right with it, and you're good to go. I mean, you can't beat this. Like, if you're just going out and about, and like I said, at night it gets cold. Where I live at, it gets cold at night, so a cardigan is just right for the nighttime, but during the day, throw it away. Like, put it somewhere. But at night, it's good enough to wear because it's like chilly at night. So, yes, this cardigan is a go. And I'll leave everything in the description below. I'll leave everything. It's okay. It's okay. Nobody's perfect. Just like this video isn't perfect, but it's here. It's done. I'm done. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Share this video with any and everybody that you know. Hit that post notification bell so you be notified whenever I upload a video. And to my day ones, hey. Yeah, that's it. And I hope you all enjoyed it. And I'm just so mad, like everything went wrong. And I'm just trying to just woosah, because this week has been one heck of a week with Mother Nature hitting, and I couldn't do any videos because your girl was down because of Mother Nature took over my body, and I just want to just but here's a video for y'all today, and like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I have. And yeah, that's it. I love these freaking earrings. These are so cute. So cute. But until next time, you guys, it's been real. I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys.